Hello again, kid. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Me too. I think we're going to have lots of fun today. Which of these is the color red? Touch it for me, please. Good job. This is the color red. Today's clip is about a big red dog. Can you find the dog for me? Please touch. Well done. This animal is a dog.